How to create a KIJIJI account. So if you want to create a KIJIJI account, then first of all, open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and on the search bar, search for KIJIJI, and here you will have the first search which says www.kijiji.ca. Click on that, and now to create an account, on the upper right corner you will have register option. Click on register, and from here you have to enter your name first, and this name will be displayed on your public profile, so choose a good name, and then you have to enter your email, and now you have to enter a password, and you have to re-enter your password to make sure that you have entered the correct password. So while choosing a password, you have to consider these all options. You have to make your password at least 8 characters, and then it should include one uppercase character, one lowercase character, and then one symbol and one number. So after entering the password, you have to re-enter it. And after entering the passwords, you have to click on create account. And now an email has been sent to the address you provided. Please follow the instructions in the email to register. So now you have to open up your mail. So now to complete our registration, we have to click here to confirm our email address. And that's it. After clicking on your mail, you have verified your account. So that's it, guys. That's how you create one. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.